Baby bus.
What do you want to do today? Go on an outing. Go to the kindergarten. Choose a school bus you like. Let's go pick up the kids and send them to kindergarten. Hello, baby bus. Hello, please get on the bus. Please choose a seat for me.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
The next stop is the supermarket. Let's go!
Choose a school bus you... Oh no! The school bus got stuck in the pit. Let's get it out. Put rocks and planks on both sides of the tire. Rock. Plank. Great! The road becomes flat. Now hit the gas and let's get the bus out of there. Awesome! You got the bus out.
This is the supermarket. The teacher said you need to buy some things and take them to the kindergarten.
Let's buy some new stationery and a school bag. Welcome.
Choose a shopping cart. Next, let's go buy what we need together. School bag. Towel. Water bottle. Pants. Top.
Put the items here.
Put the money into the coin slot.
I've bought everything I need. Thank you. I've bought everything I need. Let's get on the bus. Hello, baby bus.
Hello, please get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
The next stop is the photo studio. Let's go! This is the photo studio. The teacher said you need to take a photo and take it to the kindergarten.
Let's go take a photo.
Welcome.
Could you take a picture of me, please?
Okay, what kind of photos do you want? Photo for kindergarten admission. Portrait photo.
Taking the photo. Let's go. baby bus.
Hello, please get on the bus.
Please choose a seat for me.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
I've picked up all the kids. I'm running low on gas. Please fill up my fuel tank.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
Baby bus, go!
Uh-oh. There's a flock of sheep blocking the road. Honk the horn to drive the sheep away. Whoa! The sheep are gone. Let's go.
This is the hospital. Have a physical checkup before going to kindergarten.
Let's go get a physical check. Check the heart rate. Place them based on their colors. Yes, that's the right place. Tap the button to match the color. Yes, that's it. The check is finished. Your heart rate is normal. Thanks. Check the weight and height. Lulu weighs 21 kilograms. Let's write the numbers on the board. Yes, that's it. Stamp on the numbers.
Lulu's height, 98 centimeters.
Let's write the numbers on the board. Yes, that's it. Stamp on the numbers. Check your eyesight. See which way the E goes. Slide now. Not this direction. Try again. Yeah, that's the right direction. 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 All correct. You have very good eyesight. Thanks! Check the listening. Listen to the sound and guess the animal. Nope. Listen to it again. Cow. Bird. Rooster. Thanks! The physical checkup is done. Let's go to kindergarten.
This is kindergarten.